How to import contacts from Gmail to iPhone. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you'd like to import or sync your contacts to iPhone, here is what should be done. So first and foremost, head over to your device settings. Once you open your device settings, head over to the option of contacts. If you cannot find it, tap on the search bar and type in contacts. Once you're on this page, search for accounts or contact accounts. Tap on it. In the account section, if Gmail is not added, tap on add account and select on Google option. This will ask you to log in into your Google account now. Get in your Gmail address and then tap on login. After that, you will go to this page from where make sure to toggle on the option of contacts. And this way, it will start syncing or importing all the contacts of your Gmail to iPhone. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.